Hi friends, this video shows how to use screen mirroring. First, press and hold home button on remote. Press and hold home button on the remote. Then you would get these options. From here, select mirroring. Then keep this screen open. Please don't close it. Please keep this screen open. Then on mobile phone, open settings. Tap on this settings app icon. Then select connection and sharing. Tap here. Then select wireless display. Tap here. Then turn on this option, wireless display. Then it will automatically search and detect nearby Fire TV. You can see it just detected Fire TV. Tap on this name. Now it's connecting. Please wait. Okay, done. So if you want to switch display to full screen while watching videos, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone, then just rotate the phone. That way you can switch display to full screen in TV and mobile phone. If you want to disconnect, again go to settings, connection and sharing, wireless display. Then tap on this name. Then tap on disconnect. So that way we can disconnect. Now it's disconnecting. Please wait. Okay, done. So please try it.